Hello friends, Dr. Rajiv Davan. This message is for foreign medical graduates who couldn't pass in the last exam. I definitely can understand the pain and agony you must be going through right now. Couple of facts over here. In the last exam, only 1 out of 10 student passed. The number 2, the paper was clinical, very different from the usual trend of the paper. So please stop labeling yourself responsible for this failure. It's not like that. I know a lot of students tried the level best, but yes, we could not make it. Let's accept it now. We cannot keep running away from the fact that we are going to work again for fulfilling our dreams. We have to become the registered doctor in this country, and yes, there is a delay, but there cannot be a denial. So please come out of this gloomy situation. Guide yourself, motivate yourself, because the real motivator lies within you. You have to be a fighter now. We cannot come to a situation and surrender. We have to stand up again. No failure can be so lethal that it can really defeat us forever. 3 days have already passed. We have been in sorrow. From this moment onward, let's pick up the books again. Let's start studying. This time we will do more clinical thing. Medicine will be a super focused subject. Radiology, orthopedics, dermatology, pediatrics would be given due importance. We have understood this from the last paper. I'm not going to the nitties and gritties of how to do it. Agreed. But right now my concern is that each one of you should bounce back and start preparing, because the bottom line is we are 75 days away from the exam. I know you must be in pain that some of your friends passed but we could not pass. Agreed. I can feel that pain with you. But we are just 75 days short of the exam. It's not a very big period. It's not an annual exam. After 75 days, again we have the exam coming up. So my humble request to all of you, please get up once again. Please reawaken the fighter within you and pick up the books and start studying. This time go little different in such a way that you do the final year subjects first. Do medicine and other clinical subjects first, and then go towards the second year and the first year subjects. But we have to make a target that by 15th of November we will be finishing our 2 revisions of all these subjects. This is what our aim is, and let's start working for that aim from tomorrow. Do not keep on postponing this, otherwise it will become a more burden to carry. Let's join hands. Let's talk to our friends. Let's make small study groups on maybe Zoom or anywhere you want to for few days, because you need some company to do that. Devise your own ways to pull up each other and come out of this slumber now, and let's start really preparing for December exam right from now. So we have already spent these 3 days, very tough days, I know that. Now it's high time. So let's come out of this situation and start studying once again, beta. Okay? May God bless us. Remember, justice can be delayed but cannot be denied. We have a fighter within us. If other people could pass, we can also pass. Only thing is we need to become more clinically oriented now. I'll post more videos about how we can do things a little differently in these 75 days, but let's start studying clinical subjects from now onwards. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless you.